How you doing, folks? Welcome back. I was going to test the new spin rig this afternoon, and I actually did test it, and it works. And I was filming the video to show you guys, and then it stopped working. Here's the funny thing about battery-powered things. You need to charge the battery so it's got a full charge before you try and use the stuff with the battery. I forgot to charge the battery. I'm sorry. It's currently charging on the bench. This thing worked though, so I'm gonna just do this silver paint drop 4-chamber spin rig thingy, and canvas is going to be static. And yeah, I'll promise I've got some interesting canvases. We'll do the spin rig test with those brightly coloured canvases. Hopefully you'll like it. So I'll go cover up my new little spin rig so it doesn't get silver paint all over it, a little motor, and we'll kick this thing off. Again, I'm an idiot. Sorry about that. We live and we learn. Apparently I don't learn, that's the problem. All right, you cover that. All right, so this should go pretty crazy. So we'll let this rip, and I'm going to let it swing across back and forth several times, and we'll see what happens. And I reckon that'll do us. Where's a drip tray? Come here, drip tray. Thank you, drip tray. All right. That was good fun. Chaotic. Gotta love it. You go, mate. So let's give you guys a look at this. This one was cool. It's busy. All right. Do. So, yeah, we'll look at it from this way. Got that really cool pattern in the middle. They look like treble clefs. Got some nice chaotic swirls along the bottom here. But that, I really dig it. So there's the whole piece. Where is it? About there. There, get close. Geez, I'm good at camera work. There you go. But so yeah, I really love the patterns I'm getting from that 4-chamber pot. I've got a crazy idea. I want to build several of them so I can get all different colours loaded up and really go to town on it. But yeah, this one's crazy. And I'll give you a quick look at this thing. Here's the spin rig. One drill and the magic box. One. That's the speed controller. But sadly, Dopey Boy here forgot to do something. Uh-oh. That's a battery that's charging. Or at least I hope it's charging. I might have broken it, I don't know yet. We'll see if it takes a charge or not. But anyway, thanks for stopping by. Let's go back here and Look at the painting one more time. So yep, I really dig that crazy pattern. It's like a snail that got high on acid just went ballistic all over the canvas. Anyway folks, thanks for stopping by. I will see you all next time.